I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to a text box in the Keynote app. First, we have to open up the app, and here we already have a document created. From here, we just click on the text box that we want to edit, and then in the right side we have shadow here. Click on this. Then we click on the toggle list. And here we can select whether to have no shadow, drop shadow, contact shadow, or curved shadow. Let's see a drop shadow. Here I will, as you can see, that's how it looks. And here you can also set the angle like this. There's a contact shadow as well. Looks like this, and then a curved shadow. Let's see how this looks. This looks like this. You can also add an angle here as well, and you can also set the curve. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.